Today on Judge Porter.
All rise. Hello, everyone.
I urge you, due to the absurdity of this case,
All rise. Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Porter will preside. Hello, everyone. Be seated. Oh boy. Vivian.
yes,
So
Judge.
it's nice to see you.
Same here.
I'm assuming that you're here for case number 7619, Edward D. Stallion versus Mango Park.
Exactly.
Mr. Stallion, come to the podium, please.
Yes.
Mr. Stallion, why are you wearing a horse head in my courtroom?
Your Honor, first off, thank you for taking my case.
I'm listening to your case. I'm not taking your case. I'm listening to it.
Thank you very much. This is how I identify myself.
You identify yourself as a man with a horse head on your horse mask on your head. Is that where we are?
Not as a man, but as an equine.
Did you just say that you're a horse?
Yes, Your Honor.
May I?
Jerome, are you seeing this?
Your Honor, I have no idea what's going on here. But yes.
Is this Mr. Stallion, is this a joke?
No, Your Honor.
So you're here. Speak. Go ahead.
Thank you, Judge. So I am here suing this lady for discrimination.
Okay, this lady here is here as a representative for Mango Park. So you're saying you're suing Mango Park for discrimination?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is not the main event I expected, but go ahead.
So I have been, in a transition over several years.
Transitioning into a horse.
Yes, Your Honor. And so I would like the proper identification.
As a horse.
Yes.
Oh boy. And how is Mango Park discriminating against you, sir?
Well, Your Honor, they refused to give me the proper identification, so I took it up here. Everywhere that I've gone, people turn me away and ridicule me, laugh at me, and just don't understand me.
Oh boy. Miss Wilkins.
Yes.
Oh boy.
Judge, may I please?
Oh yeah, please.
Even though I respect the plaintiff's choice, we both know that from a legal standpoint, all the legal documents must reflect factual information. As we can see here, it's a costume.
That is quite an aggressive statement, Your Honor.
Mr. Stallion, it would behoove you to allow the attorney to finish saying what they say, and then I will allow you to do a follow-up, okay? I understand that you're saddled with a lot of information right now and a lot of circumstance, but let her finish and I will.
As the district attorney representing Mango Park, I have to say that there are some concerns about the practical implications of recognizing someone as a non-human entity on official records. It's just not possible.
Okay. Mr. Stallion, let me ask you, what type of documentation are you trying to acquire to satisfy you being identified as a horse?
Well, I would like to start with my driver's license, sir.
Okay. All right. What's the issue with your driver's license?
Well, when I went in to get the identification, they requested that I remove my head. So I said no, and here we are today.
I wasn't aware of the fact that horses could drive.
Oh, well, there are long distances sometimes, and my hooves do get quite tired, so.
Did you trot here to court today?
Yes.
Ah.
I walked.
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that must have been a lot of horsepower.
Yes.
So you want a driver's license
Yes.
with showing your transition to a
Equine.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Okay, but here's the problem, sir. Have you had any medical documentation to show that you're actually in the actual physical transition from human to non-human? Because what I see is a man in a costume, like the attorney said.
Well, I take offense to that personally, Your Honor.
Okay.
I have gone to doctor's offices, but they have shooed me away. They have ridiculed me, as I stated earlier, and I'm done with it. I'm tired. I would like to be acknowledged as the beautiful, wonderful, majestic stallion that I really am.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes,
may I
ma'am.
ask a question?
Yes, ma'am.
So did you go to a medical doctor or a veterinarian?
I went to veterinarian.
And they
turned me away.
And
Out of
what
prejudice,
reason?
Out of
And
discrimination.
in what
because
way?
People don't want to listen or understand how I'm feeling.
How are you feeling?
Well, I'm feeling quite upset, to be honest. I would just like to be acknowledged as the person. Well,
Sir, slow your horses, okay? You're in a court of law, okay? Don't raise your
are
tone.
you mocking me, sir?
Sir.
Are these jokes funny to you?
Sir, do you want us to listen to your case, or do you want me to throw you out that door?
I would like to be heard.
Okay, the attorney asked you a question. Answer the question.
Can you please say it again?
Did you go to a medical doctor or to a veterinarian?
I went to a veterinarian.
And for what reason did they turn you away? Being that their specialty is to work with animals.
Well, they said that I could not be treated there, and I insisted, and then they said, well, if I had the proper identification, the paperwork could be done.
Okay, but in order for the proper paperwork to be satisfied, they would need I would assume that they would need something from a physical standpoint to say that you fit the parameters of what the definition of a horse is.
Well, I've got the hooves, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
No, having hoofs is not enough, sir. There has to be more to it. Identifying as an animal is one thing. Being able to show that you are physically tied to that animal is something else. Okay? You understand that? Your DNA does not include the same DNA as a horse. You do understand that, sir? Sir? That's
yes,
a yes or no?
I do physically, yes, but that's not who I am.
Okay. Sir, I understand how you feel. Okay? You feel one way. Okay? But the reality is, this court does not have the authority to grant you the recognition as a non-animal.
Your Honor, please, I've gone everywhere.
I mean, I'm sorry to say, I'm sorry. I apologize. As a
listen.
non-human, I apologize. As a non-human. You are very much human, sir. You are very much human. Now, what you're going through internally, I feel you on that. I totally understand.
I don't think you understand, sir.
But I need
I've
you.
gone everywhere.
But sir, I need you to try to rein yourself in on this one. And here's what I'm saying.
Are you making fun of me?
Sir, no one's making fun of you. As if anything, we're having compassion for your situation. Okay? You can't find a doctor to agree with you, whether it's a human doctor or one who practices with animals, a veterinarian.
No.
And I understand that must be incredibly frustrating, sir. But this court does not have the authority to grant you what you want.
That's
Now-
not true. They told me I had to take it up in court, and then I would be able to figure it out, and I can get my proper
And that part is,
identification.
and sir, and that part is correct. Taking it to court is one thing. But what you're asking the court to do, we do not have the power nor the authority to give you what you want, sir. And I feel for you. Honestly, I do. I do. I honestly feel for you. And I wish there was more that I can do for you. I wish there was more that the city of Mango Park can do for you. But what you're asking for is not within our parameters legally, sir. I am sorry.
This is discrimination.
It's not discrimination, sir.
Why can't I just be how I am? Why does it have to be an issue? Why
Judge.
can't...
Yes,
Judge,
ma'am.
unfortunately, as I think we can conclude, that this is an unrealistic request
I agree with you,
in
ma'am.
every way.
I agree with you, ma'am.
It's not that you are growing a mane.
And-
It is not that you have, where's your ponytail?
What?
Why aren't you on all fours?
Well, I didn't
It's
think it would be appropriate.
unrealistic.
I dressed up
Allow
today,
me,
Your Honor,
it's
to show you that
unrealistic.
I'm taking this seriously.
And you must understand that a personal identity that you have chosen is different from a legal identity.
Yeah, that's correct.
And Judge, I urge you, due to the absurdity of this case,
Do you
Would you-
identify as a terrible person? Because that's what you are being right now.
Mr. Stallion,
Yes.
Mr. Stallion, I need you to hold your horses on that type of behavior. Hey, I need you to be stable. Don't. I will put you out the pasture. Stop it. Control yourself. I'm agreeing with Mango Park. This case is dismissed.
No, that's
Thank you.
not fair, Your Honor. This is discrimination. You guys don't understand what I'm going through.
This case is dismissed, sir. Now, what I'm going to recommend, sir, have you considered talking to another type of doctor, like a psychiatric doctor, someone who can help you through this time?
I'm tired of this. I'm getting... This is discrimination. This isn't right. This isn't right.
thank you, Your Honor.
I'm sorry about that, Vivian. Wow. I don't know what to say about that. I
Neither
guess
do I.
he's still on his high horse about this, but like I said, this case is dismissed. If he comes to your office and causes any other problems, contact the Mango Park Police Department, and I'll make sure we have some officers over there to help you guys out, okay?
Thank you.
All righty then.
Yes, I'm quite disappointed with the way that the ruling was done. I think I was treated unfairly, prejudiced against, discriminated, and I will definitely be appealing for my case. But I am grateful that the prison has let me keep my face. I get to go outside and run around quite often, and they've been very accommodating with my dietary restrictions. And this is not the last you've seen of me. I guarantee it.